Pounce. What is up, you guys? It's your girl Unique the Iconic, and we are back with another video. Today's video is sponsored by Elemo Hair. They were so nice enough to be able to reach out to do a collaboration with me. Today we are going to be doing a review on their headband wig. I have really been wanting to try a headband wig for a while now, so I really was very excited that they reached out to me and allowed me to be able to try their product. If you have not already, definitely go ahead, like, go comment, go subscribe, please. Pretty please, would you?
Please whatever.
And also, if you are already a part of the Icon Gang, Icon Crew, welcome back. Love you guys. But yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and get into the video, and we're just gonna go do an unboxing. Okay, you guys, so this is the box that it came in. It came in very fast. I was supposed to do this video like a while ago, but I've been like so busy. I was sick, then I was moving. It was just so much going on, so I was like, you know what, I gotta do this video. And I definitely really wanted to wait until I took my hair out to do this video, but I was like, well, it's a headband wig, and you know, let's try to see if it can cover up with my braids. So we're gonna really see today. So first things first, we open the box. You got some little goodies. Oh. So first things first, it has this cute little cheetah pouch. What's in it? Oh, okay, Elemo Hair, they gave us some lashes. These are cute, and they're very simple. They're not like really dramatic lashes, because I don't really like dramatic lashes. What's in here? Oh, and this is like a powder puff. It says Elmo on it. Okay, that's that. Thank you, Elemo Hair. I love that. Okay, and we get a wig cap. You can't never get enough wig caps, honey. And I'm so thankful they be sending kind of like the right color, like this medium color. I love that they do that. Okay. Oh, and we got like a whole bunch of looks like headbands to wear with the wig. Ooh, we got like different ones. We got like this one. What's this? It's like a little flowery one. Of course, we got cheetah. I love me some animal print, you guys. I love and love animal print. Oh, and we got this one. It's like a little tribal. It looks like tribal print a little bit. This is cute. So I might just wear this with my braids. Hold on. Oh, shut it. Oh, yeah, no, I didn't. This can look cute with just my braids. Hold on. Oh, this is kind of cute, though. It's giving me very much. Hello, baby. This is cute. Okay, that's that one. They gave me a lot of headbands. I love that. And they gave me this one with the little leaves on it. This is cute. And this is another one with flamingos on it. Oh, I love this one. I love animals, and I love like animal print. Okay, that's all of those. And now to the wig. Okay, this is the wig. Oh, it feels heavy. Take it out the box. Okay. Oh, she's definitely okay. We got some length. This is cute. This is cute. I'm gonna curl this wig, so we're gonna see how she curls. How would I put this? Oh, so this is the headband part right here. So I assume that this is going to get covered with the headbands that they sent, or any headband of your choice. And this is a little strappy part to tighten it. It's actually a pretty like decent size wig. And I have a very small head, so we're gonna see how this works. I know most companies make their heads, their wigs in medium size for the head. Okay, we're gonna see. All right, put her down over here. So I think the first thing that I want to do is lay my edges because they looking a little off right in my hair. So we're gonna go ahead and lay my edges because I know when I see videos, oh that's the wrong side, of the girls doing their hair, I always see them do their edges first. So let's see. Okay, whoosh, wave. Okay, I don't really think that one really needs anything major done. Alrighty, do the other side. Do this side. Okay, I'm kind of excited to see how this is going to like cover my braids, but we're going to see. I don't really think this one needs any more on this one. Just gotta brush it really good. Alrighty. And at the top of my head. Okay. Alrighty. Got them laid. Now time for the wig. Okay, first let me put my braids. I wonder if I should put a cap on. Well, I don't think I need no cap for my braids. I think they'll be fine. They're gonna sit back here. Just throw the wig on. Okay. Oh wait a minute. She's she was sticking. Oh snap. Oh wait a minute. She's going. Okay. Okay. Let's get her to cover the braids. Okay, oh my god, wait a minute. Let me find that. Okay. Alright, now I'm just gonna throw her behind. Oh wow, wait a minute. I don't want it to like cover. I think it has to go back some. Okay, there we go. Oh wow, is she on there? I'm afraid like she's not on there. Okay, oh she is. Wait, is it too far? Okay, I kind of like it. All right, let's see which one you want to do. I think I want to do this one, the flamingo. Wait, let me see. Or should I do this one? I think we should do this one. We should do this little leaves. So I think it just, oh fuck. I kind of like this. It's like an easy 1, 2, 3 hairstyle. Oh, this is cute. Okay. I'm trying to like cover up this black band, but it's like so hard. Alright, I think I got it. Okay, okay, we working. Alright, so let me go ahead and curl the hair and we gonna see from there. God's everywhere, even in the kiss. So why do you think I don't know when you're lying? Know when you're trying to hide how you feel from me. You hate it when you say you can't resist. So why do you keep yourself?
machine. I know you're trying to hide from me. I don't know why you lie to me. I wish you would confide in me. I tried. Eyes are like the lie machine. I know you're trying to hide from me. I don't know why you lie to me. I think you need to let go of your pride. My eyes are like them. I won't let you be the one who always hurts my feelings. I don't want to be with you if you keep on deceiving me with all these things you say. You know I don't believe them. Every time I let you in, you leave me bruised and bleeding. If you really love me, girl, then look into my eyes. Tell me all the things you told me that were really lies. You keep looking to the...
Okay, so I am done curling her, and she curled flawlessly, honey, baby. She is good. Okay, let me stop. But yeah, anyways, yeah, she's super soft. So let me give, I'm trying to wait till this side cools off before I take the curls out and like toss them. But she really does look good, y'all. Like, I don't know if y'all can see it, but she really does look real good, and she looks a lot better now that I done curled her, because she was looking a little hit. Mama's was looking hit. I'm trying to see if I can get the band to get thicker. I'm sorry, not thicker, but spread more to cover up the black. But that means that this, okay, I think this is cool. So I'm just gonna like toss her out with my fingers. Oh my gosh, she is, baby, she's giving some step forward. I like this. I can see this as like if my hair was not done and I just needed like something really quickly. I can definitely yes. Who me? Who me? She's giving what needs to be gave, okay? But now, yeah, I really can see myself wearing this with, like, if I needed to run to the store. But yeah, like as I was saying, you guys, the hair is super soft. I love it. It did not come with any smell at all, and it curls very easily. Like, it's so nice. As far as the shedding, there was like a minimal shedding only from like when I was combing it and stuff, but other than that, y'all, this is cute. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of have my doubts with like a headband wig, but I can actually see me rocking this, like actually like going to the store and actually like going places with this on. Like, I see this as like a go-to wig for when my hair is not done. And the fact that it covered up my cornrows, like, it was nothing. I love it. I really do like it. And I love the fact that they gave me like multiple headbands to work with. Thank you so much, Elemo Hair. If you have not already, definitely go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up on the video, you guys, and definitely love you guys. Stay tuned for more videos.